How to hide names on Snapchat notifications. So first of all, you will have to open the settings on your device. So simply open the settings, and from here you will have to scroll down and find the option apps. So simply click on this app, and from here you will have to find the Snapchat app. Okay, so after you find the Snapchat app, you'll have to open the Snapchat, and from here you will have to go with the options notification, and from here you can make changes on this notification of Snapchat. So you can also make changes on app icon badges, so you can also turn off it, and you can also turn the alert message set to its deliver quietly, and you can also turn off the notification from here. So likewise, on this process you will be able to hide the names on Snapchat notifications. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.